Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Webull paper trading and chart indicators, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start setting up Webull paper trading, first, download the Webull app from your device's app store or visit their website. Once installed, create your account by signing up with your email or phone number. Verify your email or phone number through the confirmation link or code sent to you. After verification, log into the Webull app with your new account credentials. Navigate to the main dashboard and look for the option that says Paper Trading. Select Paper Trading to activate the feature. Follow the prompts to enable your paper trading account. Next, familiarize yourself with the layout of the platform. Find the Markets tab, which will give you access to stocks and ETFs for trading. To add chart indicators, go to the watch list and select a stock you want to analyze. Once on the stock screen, tap on Chart to bring up the chart view. In the chart view, locate the indicators icon, typically found in the upper right corner. Tap on the indicators icon to open the Indicators Settings menu. Choose from a list of available indicators, such as moving averages, MACD, or RSI. Select the indicators you want to use by tapping on them. After selecting, customize each indicator's settings as needed. Once done, hit Apply to add the indicators to your chart. Review your chart with the added indicators to make informed trading decisions. To practice your trading, go back to the paper trading section and start executing trades. Remember, with paper trading, you can experiment without real financial risk. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.